Hey guys, Brockovig back with another Let's Play video. This is episode 2, and basically I'm gonna finish building my house, and Super Duke is gonna go mining so we can get more resources. Alright, let's start the video. Alright, so are you gonna you should probably get in the mines right now. Alright. Then I'm just gonna put the windows up. 16. Alright, and once I finish the house, I'm gonna go get another bed so we can actually sleep, and probably get more food. Oh, and sorry about the guy in the chat. He just joined our world, and we don't know how to kick him. Alright, let's get some doors. Oh, sorry. Okay. Alright, and then we're gonna have an upstairs. Okay. Gonna make some sticks. And gonna get 3 ladders, should be fine. Nice. What is it? Alright, let's get some stairs. Wait, that should be good. Oh, nice. Alright, that should be good for fishing. Alright, let's get stairs around the house. Alright, looks like we're gonna need more stairs. Alright, I'm just gonna kill this kid so he can't play. I know it seems really rude, but I mean, that's what happens when you join the world. Like, you want to play. Alright. Oh, I got my own fishing pole. Nice. Alright, let's alright, let's get some food. And we need the rest of the stairs. $20 should be just fine. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna start fishing for some food. Actually, just gonna kill some fish. I'm just killing fish right now. Alright. Yeah? Nice. Alright, so I'm gonna cook up this food for you. Oh, you died? Dang it. Alright. Oh, and also he worked on, he got some stuff while we were recording. Well, that's totally okay. Alright, then I'm gonna cook up this food here. Colton, if you wanna trap that guy. No, but he's coming for your stuff. I'll just take it all. Okay. Colton, go trap him in. Oh, dope. Oh, here. What else do you have? Alright. Well, it's been a really weird episode. That's okay. Here, do you want to take this one? Alright, I'm gonna plant these trees. Alright, I'll bring this in the house. The house is not done yet, but it's okay. Alright, there's two fish in the furnace if you want to take that. Let's see. Let's get a roof on. Alright, I'm just gonna actually put some stairs up here. Actually, I don't think we're gonna have an upstairs. That's okay. Oh, okay. Here, actually, have me come with for the video. Yes. Alright, we need some more wood. Alright, let's get a lot of wood. Oh, and here's a trick for mining big trees. You wanna break 2 blocks so you can stand on one tree branch, and that can almost guarantee that you'll get the whole tree just by cutting it down once. By that. But some trees you might have to build up. That tree was just perfect though. Okay. Alright. Let me just make this wood. Let's kill these guys in our way. Alright, let's... Alright, the house is all done. Colton, do you have any, like, cobblestone? Alright. We'll probably make the mine next episode. But for right now, let's Let's go fishing and get some food. Actually, I'm gonna make a little dock for us. Get some slabs. Alright. Oh, god dang it. Alright, I'm gonna have to go back and get early. Oh, yeah. Yeah. If you guys don't know, he's going to get a... Oh, he found his buried treasure. If you don't know what I'm doing right now, I'm just boxing him in. Oh, whoops. Alright. Oh, you're getting the buried treasure. Oh, nice. Alright, guys, I think that's where I'm going to end the episode off. And make sure you guys like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.